Okay, we're going to attempt to clean my sink drain so it can drain properly. It's all dirty right now because it never drains properly. So I'm gonna take it apart all by myself for the first time. And I'm gonna try to clean the drain myself. First part is to take off the drain part, this part. They say righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so I'm gonna try to guess and think I'm gonna start spinning this way. Okay, I feel it. Hopefully nothing loose comes out. Okay, it's coming up, it's out, it's dirty. Okay, so that's probably what's clogging it. I'm gonna clean this off with a Kleenex for this, like a tissue. And let me just clean off the gook with the tissue over here. With the tissue first. Wow, yeah, ooh. Okay. You know what? I have an idea. I was going to put this vinegar and baking soda in the drain itself, but knowing that this is what's causing it, I'm gonna stick this part, this drain part, in the in a mixture of vinegar and baking soda so it can clean it, because there's not just this hair on it, there's a lot of corrosion on the in parts. It makes me happy that it's not stuff in the drain and it's just on the drain itself. I feel like that's easier to take care of than stuff that's in the drain. Okay, so I got the bucket. I'm gonna pour some vinegar. I'm gonna put the drain in the bucket, and then I'm gonna pour some vinegar into it. Oh yeah, just pouring the vinegar in it is taking some of the stuff off just as I go. Let's try putting a little bit more vinegar in. Well, let's put some water. I'm just putting the water straight into the bowl, making sure nothing goes down the drain. Okay, and then I'm gonna spritz it a little bit with this vinegar. Yes, we have vinegar in a spray bottle. Then we're gonna wipe that down. Okay, there's a ton of gook up here on top of the thing here. That's the main like drainage point. Do you know what'd be good? Something to like poke and well, I guess I could get a Q-tip and clean that area. Yeah, it just really needs a good cleaning. I decided to upgrade from a Q-tip, which was taking forever, to a little old toothbrush, and I think this will help also, you know, take more of the gook off because you're going more aggressively with the brush. See, that's getting so much more off. So much more satisfying, I swear to you. Okay, that was the top part. The top part's easy to get to, but like the bottom part, ew, it's coming through. Okay. Oh, goodness gracious. What the heck? Ugh. It's popping up, but not all the way. Okay, ew. There it is. That's gross. Okay. Ugh. Drain thing is just being clogged up. The water could not go down. Okay, I'm gonna stick some more vinegar in this thing here. Okay, and now I'm gonna stick in the baking soda so we can get some of that grout out there, so I don't have, so it just freely comes out. Ooh, wow, yes, look at that action. It's gonna knock, it's not oh shoot, I didn't put too much, goodness gracious. That's too much. Okay, simmer down. Okay. I just went outside and I dumped this in the dirt because of course I said I didn't want any of the stuff going down the drain. So I'm gonna add just a little more vinegar to it. Oh, I guess there's some baking soda still in there. So let's put this bad boy in there really quick. And we're gonna add some water to the bucket. It's just clean now, so I don't feel like we're contaminating it so much. Okay, now I got this like way cleaner, super clean. Now I'm gonna have to try the drain because it's really messed up looking right now. It's gunky. I'm gonna try right now just to clean it with a little bit of cleanser. Just this is Windex. I'm just gonna get what's the gook that's on the sink here, just around it, off. Just gonna get a paper towel. There's just like some gook on the top here. I just want to get that off so it's gonna go down the drain. It's just, you know, right here. I want the drain clean, just so there's nothing. I'm just gonna, this is a dry paper towel. I honestly think the drain is a clear shot. I think it was just the drain thing itself. I'm gonna try putting this in and turning it and see if I get any hair out. We have like an S-shaped pipe. So this isn't going straight down. Am I pulling much out? No, see, it's just a little bit gooky, but not like the hair amount. Like, 'cause seriously, when my sink would not drain at all, it would get like really full, and I seriously thought it was just hair clogged into it. And I said, how is that possible? How can I get hair in my drain when I don't really wash my hair? So it was actually just the drain. So let's clean this off. Not too much. Seriously, it's just not coming out really. So just kind of, this is just a dry, damp paper towel a little bit. Okay. Let's spray it with some vinegar. Okay. And let's put a paper towel with the vinegar. Just to clean off the edges a bit. I'm gonna put, because I see gook. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see, but there's gook in the side, so I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try doing baking soda and vinegar. I need a cup vinegar. And I'm gonna pour this like straight into it fast because it's gonna sizzle. Need some more vinegar. You know what? I'm going to take some of that. Now let's try putting back on the drain cover. Clean. You know what I should do? I should clean the sink before doing this. So what I did is I took the cover, but I put it upside down so nothing of this gook. Because I'm cleaning the sink parts, this circle part, out. But I don't want any of the debris to go down the drain. So this is like a makeshift drain stoppage thing for right now. Ew, this is so bad. Let's get the actual Windex. And let's get those holes. Get the sink edges. And we continue to brush them. Okay, now I'm just taking the brush and I'm doing all just the edges of the sink with the brush. Still not using any water, but I'm just getting all the gunk off with like paper towel, just so none of this gunk goes down the drain. That I see right here, and I'm just gonna try to, I'm not sure if it's the smartest idea because, well, let's try it again. Because this stuff, see, there's quite a bit still in the drain. But I just don't want to push it back down the drain itself. So I'm just scooping it up and then putting it on a paper towel over here. The thing is, that little device that I was using before, you know, the orange thing, this thing is only really meant to get hair out, but on the sides of the drain here, there was just gook on the sides that just needs to be brushed off. But of course, that orange thing was not getting it because it was too skinny. I say just push it up right now and get it out of there, and then we can clean the sink once more. Okay, now all the gook is out from the drain, so I'm going to plug this up upside down again. So none of this, let's get some cleaner again, just to take it off the edges. None of this can go back down the drain. So I'm going to use a paper towel and just take it out of the sink this way. Okay, I'm gonna run straight water down into there. I mean, it hasn't had straight water come down to it for a while because that stopped up drain. So this hopefully will take. Hold on, I'm gonna get another paper towel and try to get the rest, make sure there's no more gunk on this before I stick it back in the sink. But at least this stuff isn't gonna go back into the drain. Let's clean this off with a little Windex, makes it shine, make it shine before we put it back. All right, now it's super extra clean. Like literally like new. There's nothing in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it back on the drain. Let's try just sticking it straight in and pushing down a little. Lefty-loosey. Comes out. Righty-tighty. Think. Maybe I popped it out. I think that's right. Righty-tighty. Perfect. I did it, guys. Yay! And that is how you fix a sink. Mainly clean.